In front of me is VIVO Y17, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Finally, just tap on one of your passwords that you wish to remove and enter your current login method. Then tap on the Delete button next to the Edit one and confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!